Well, these aren't easy to get in the picture because it's, as you know, it's a very slim set. This is the Thunderpole T3000. We've just done an optimization. If you saw the optimization video for a customer, it's a brand new set. This is of course what we also use in the car. So we're going to be running solely with the factory original mic. So we've optimized this. The customer wants it UK 40 only FM, but as a courtesy we've done it, we've checked AM as well on CPT, simply because it's part of our demonstration. So he won't be paying for that aspect of that, but he'll just be paying for what he's asked for. So we've got Mr. Chippie hopefully out there. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger Dodger. I'll get my extension speaker plugged in.
Oh, roger that. Let me know when you're ready.
Considering they've only got that very small internal speaker, that's quite reasonable. I don't want to knock the power lead, or we're going to end up... It's just done it. It's going to... The cigarette lighter plug which it's on. If we'd got another lead available, but Mr. Chippie hasn't made any up, it would be better. Right, I'm now ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger Dodger.
Passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. On this radio we've got no temp control.
Roger that.
So we're going to run with the squelching auto squelch position. And when we look at the sheet, it is 1.7 microvolts. So if it becomes choppy, I can always switch it to manual.
Alright, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Ancaster service station, and it's closed.
Yes, but you went past it earlier on when you fetched me back from church. Can you remember what it was?
Well, petrol, yeah, 139.9, so it's not the 132.9 it has been.
Yeah, roger on that.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Top of the hill. Let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a brand new Thunderpole T3000. It's been optimised for the customer and it's doing a full 4-watt output. I'm on the factory original microphone. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
John, now when we get to the 5 mile point, I'll be running through CPT and all that. Over.
Yep, roger that, but it's pretty straightforward with these sets, luckily.
Oh yeah, it's instant.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn.
She got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you the 5 mile point on the Thunderpole T3000. Brand new, so it's doing a full 4-watt output, showing 1.99 amps. And we're going to go over to CPT FM.
Roger that, see you there.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie on CPT FM.
Yeah, once again loud and clear.
Roger, now go over to AM.
Roger, going to AM.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie on CPT AM.
Tango 21, yeah, I'm receiving you, I can tell what you're saying, but it's very noisy.
Roger, that was noted from the Fairfax UK.
Roger.
There we are back on UK, over.
Yep, all done.
You go when you're ready.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you the 5 mile point on this Thunderpole T3000. Brand new set, it's doing a full 4-watt output. It's doing 1.99 amps. And we're going to go over to CPT FM.
Roger that, see you there.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie on CPT FM.
Yeah, once again, loud and clear.
Roger on that. Go over to AM.
Roger, going to AM.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie on CPT AM.
Tango 21, yeah, I'm receiving you. I can tell what you're saying, but you're very noisy.
Roger, that's no difference there. Back to UK.
Roger.
And there we are back on UK, over.
Yep, hold on.
Off you go when you're ready.
Roger.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, diddly dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over. Yeah, it's still at 136.9 and 144.7, so they haven't changed it at this petrol station.
Yes, that car was electric. I tell you to fill it up while the going is good. That's been a great test. That works as brilliant as usual. Thanks for that.
Yeah, no problem. 1010.
Yes.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby Level Crossing. What's the petrol like at that end today, please, over?
Yeah, it's still at 136.9 and 144.7, so they haven't changed it at this petrol station.
There you go. If that car wasn't electric, I'd tell you to fill it up while the going's good. That's been a great test. Set works as brilliant as usual. Thanks for that.
No problem.
1010. There you go. We'll go over to our base station and see what it sounds like on our Midland 76900 base station.
Tango 21, testing the Thunderpole T3000 into our Midland 76900 base station using the factory original mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we'll be carrying on with the balance turn route 66 tomorrow. Thanks for watching.